Today we're taking a look at this Hustler Raptor SDX54. Features a heavy-duty 54-inch deck and the Kawasaki FR691V. All the details on that engine are in the information below. Got a really nice looking seat on here. It's a very clean machine, starts right up. Everything operates as it should. We just put new blades on it, gave it a full service, new air filter, fuel filter, oil filter, engine oil. The hour meter on this machine was non-functional, so we did put a new hour meter on it. The previous owner reported that it had approximately 300 hours on it prior to it being traded in. May have a few slight tire leaks here and there, but overall this machine is in excellent shape, was just serviced, and is ready to be put to work. If you're interested in this machine, if you have any questions about it or like to give it come and take it for a test spin, feel free to reach out to us at any time. All of our contact details are in the information below. Hey, thanks for watching.